Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix the issue together. The first step, go to search bar, type your main.cpl and hit enter. Once we are here, we need to go to the pointers options and we need to uncheck this option, enhance pointer precision. So once we uncheck this one, now click on apply and then OK. Now open File Explorer, then click on these three dots and open the options. Now once we are here, we need to check this option, double click to open an items from the click items as follows section. So select this one, again click on apply and then OK. Once done, in the last method we need to just right click on the start icon, select device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the mice and other pointing devices and right click on the particular mouse drivers, open its properties, go to drivers tab and select update driver and make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close the window. If still not working, then you can just right click on it and uninstall the device and simply restart your system and the mouse will start working perfectly. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix the issue quickly and effectively, and yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.